Okay, so we're going to talk about the conjugation for the German verb sein. And the German verb sein is definitely a necessary one if you are learning German because it translates into the English verb to be. And just like to be in English, sein is an irregular verb. So if we look at the conjugation chart, we see all the pronouns and their conjugation, relative conjugation with the verb. Pretty simple. So if we were to translate I into German, the German pronoun for I would be ich, I-C-H, ich. And the conjugation for that would be bin. So to say I am in German, you just say ich bin. So same thing for you. You'd say du bist. Du bist. But the thing about German, and it's very similar to Spanish, is that German has both a informal, which is du, and a formal u, which is sie. And notice that the s in the written form of sie for the formal u is capital, and the translation for that is sind. So if you're talking to someone formally, you say Sie sind. Next, move right along. He, she, it is er, sie, und es ist. So very similar to English, just ist. And you will notice that these two pronouns are the same thing. So how do you tell a difference? Well, the difference will come into the verb conjugation that you see here to distinguish sie, which is she in English, and sie, which is the formal you in German. So if we were to move right along to we would say wir, W-I-R, sind as well. So it's just the same thing as the formal you, wir sind. Next, we are going to go to the plural you, which is ihr. And the plural you, which is something we don't have in English that is different from just regular you. It's used when you're talking to multiple people. So you would just say ihr seid. And last but not least, if we are going to do they, you just use sie again, and it is also sind. But the conjugation is the same for both of these. So how do you tell the difference? Well, the difference will, in spoken, you would probably be able to determine through context, but in written, this z is lowercase. This s and z is lowercase, while this is always capital. And that is the conjugation for the verb sein in German.